Hi everybody, I wanted to let you know that I will be working on the Sweetheart Street bench pillow coming up. Today I wanted to make a real quick video to talk about changing the text on the sign without embroidery software. Can you do this? You can't change it, but you can put your own text on and make it work. Here's how it's done. On a Baby Lock Meridian, I have my files on USB. In order to do this, you need to have the ability to put fonts on your files. Let's bring up the Soda Crush. You can do this with any of these. I'm going to hit set. You can see it says Soda Crush. Maybe I want it to say Pup Cups because I've got dogs and I want to do this with dog fabric. What I'm going to do is hit add. I'm going to go to my fonts. Now this is a little bit limited to what's on your machine, but this will work. I'm going to pick an easy to read font. Actually, maybe this one. This looks like a little pet font. I'm going to start with the letter P, and now I'm going to change the size down here to small. You can kind of compare the little tiny P there to the letters on the sign. So I've got P, we're going to go lowercase, pup, I'm going to go uppercase, C, and U, P, S. Now it says Pup Cups. This is the small font. I think this will fit. Let's hit set. Do you see where it placed it? That's not where I want it. I can move my little embroidery block around, which is just fine. There we go. Can you see behind Soda Crush how it says Pup Cups? And it actually fits. That's a good size fit for that block. I'm going to hit embroidery as if I was going to make this block. It's going to step through the block. I'm going to bring up the needle minus plus, and we're going to advance as if we were creating this block right now. I'm just going to go through each step. Let's pretend that I'm stitching this out. Now we're to the point where we see the text. The lines are tied to the text. In this stitch out, the lines come first. So you want to sit here and watch your machine. It's going to stitch through these lines. So pretend your machine is stitching, it's stitching, it's stitching. We're getting to the end of the decorative line. Pretend your machine is actually stitching this out. There. So your machine would cut threads and it would advance to stitch out the text. You need to be watching your machine. Hit the stop button. As soon as it finishes the end of this line, hit your start stop button on your machine. I'll show you what mine looks like. I have another project here right now. Here's the start stop button right there. And then you can come here. You've cut your threads, needle minus plus. The next thing that's going to stitch out are the words, Soda Crush. I'm going to skip them. I'm on to the next part of the block. So it essentially did all the outline, you did the applique, you did everything. You just skipped over the text. You continue stitching. Now you see my text. I added the Pup Cups on top. I can see that it fits. I would hit OK, and I'd let it stitch out. My block would be complete, and instead of saying Soda Crush, it would say Pup Cups. That's how you can change the text without having to have embroidery software. Is it a little bit limited? Yes, because it's limited to the fonts on your machine and the sizes on your machine, but this will work and you don't have to have embroidery software. I hope you found that helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave any comments below for me. I have all my social media links below, and I've just started a Facebook group. If you're interested in joining, you have to answer a security screening question that keeps out the bots. It's a great place to share our crafts and for you to see what I'm working on and what's coming up next for the channel. I hope this was helpful. See you next time!